Facet Mount is the most dependable attachment solution for single-ply flat roofs. With an impressive shear strength of up to 6,750 pounds and uplift resistance reaching 12,750 pounds, you can trust that your installation will stay put against the toughest environmental challenges. Whether it's solar PV systems, snow guards, or other ancillaries, this unit is compatible with virtually every roof material and solar racking on the market. Let's quickly walk through the installation process. Step 1. Place Facet Mount at its final location. Easy, right? Just make sure the surface is clear of debris. Then secure Facet Mount with roofing screws sold separately as specified by your structural engineer. Moving on to Step 2, place the membrane cover over the Facet Mount and align the top holes precisely. Next, attach your accessory to the top of the Facet Mount and tighten it as per the manufacturer's instructions. And finally, Step 4, heat weld the face cover directly to the rooftop single-ply membrane, according to your roofing material manufacturer's specifications. And just like that, you've successfully installed the Facet Mount. Remember, always consult a structural engineer to tailor your installation plans to your specific project.